Whoop. Down a bit. Down a bit. Yeah, basically so this here is here. So it's all inside, as you can see from the video. I've already started pulling it apart, replacing the motor on top, and going to add a variable speed motor and get rid of the variable speed drive that's on it and run some belts and pulleys. I can still use the gear setup on the side here for high and low when I need to, which engages this wheel at the back there. The lathe is in place. I'll tell you what, when they were coming in, there wasn't much room between the top of the garage door where I had it and the floor. We had to tilt the head of the mill down, and we had about an inch, that much clearance, just to be able to get it in. And even then, he was rubbing along the seals of the bottom of the garage door when it was up the top there, just to scrape it in. So that was pretty exciting stuff. Alright, so the part of the head that I pulled apart is basically all gone into boxes, and as you can see, my bench is an absolute pigsty at the moment, and this is the new motor that's going on it. So it's a variable speed, just using a cheap Hung Yang, I think that's how you pronounce it, variable speed drive. I'll eventually put a potentiometer on that and some switches for forward and reverse, and probably wire it into down here. Not sure what I'm going to do there. I've managed to rework the wiring for this power feed on the side here. So in the back there's a transformer. It's all wired in 3-phase, but on the transformer it does actually have an input for single phase as well, but unfortunately that's for the pump that's in this thing for the coolant and also for the power feed, but it doesn't run the motor. So and unfortunately the motor wiring didn't support a inverter, so hence why I've gone this route. So that's where I'm up to. So you'll be able to tune in a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. I'm hopefully getting the pulleys and belts here, I'm getting made up. I ordered them yesterday and they should be here by Friday. So I'll be doing some video, hopefully editing over the weekend, and I really want to get back into this